how to use single Snapchat account on multiple devices. So all you have to do is just go to your Snapchat. Now once you are in the Snapchat, you could click your account. Now once you are in here, you could see that your account is here. You just click your my account. So if you want to use a single account in multiple devices, just you could just log in this to another devices and it will just automatically just use with this within this account. So it doesn't matter what devices, if you just log in the account and if you know the password and the username, there's no problem and you can use this account with any devices. And I think if you want to use this with another devices, it will automatically log out in this device. And that's it.